Assalamu alaikum, students. Today I will explain life cycle of Myxomycota. These are also fungi like protist. The word myxo means slime, as it is derived from mucus, which means slime, and mycota means fungi. So Myxomycota are slime molds are fungi which are like slime in appearance. And now why do we say that these are fungi like protist? Because they are saprotrophic in mode of nutrition like fungi, and their body is also filamentous. That's why we say they are fungi like protist, but they are not true fungi, because in their life cycle some flagellated cells they are present. So in this way they are different from that of the fungi. Plus they are not provided with a chitinous cell wall, and their cell wall, that is not a true cell wall but only a small sheath that is present around their cytoplasmic mass, which is made up of what, cellulose, and that is called as what, microcyst. Now their adult feeding stage is called as what, plasmodium. Student, this plasmodium that can grow up to 30 centimeter or 1 feet, and this is multinucleated. And inside the zygote, when process of cell division or mitosis it starts, it only divides its nucleus, and it does not divide like a process of mitosis that is not followed by the division of what, cytoplasm or cytokinesis. And this feeding stage that usually grows on that of the rotting leaves, and on the decaying organic matter, or on the logs of the plants, old plants, it grows. And when favorable conditions they approach to this stage, then it keeps on growing. And during drought conditions or unfavorable conditions, it prepares itself for making sporangia, like from the plasmodium small knob like structures they appear, and then they grow to form a mature sporangium. You can see in the figure that these are small or young sporangia which are growing from that of the plasmodium, and when they get mature they form number of spores inside them in by the process of what, meiosis. You can see that this sporangium that is provided with a stalk, and with a bag like structure which is bearing what, spores inside it, and by the process of meiosis spores they are produced. Now you can see like this one is what, diploid stage, and spores they are formed as a result of what, process of meiosis. So spores, and then germinating spores are the other cells which are formed as a result of spore germination. They are haploid in nature, or they are haploid cells. Now spores they will release either amoeboid cells or that of the flagellated cells, which are called as what, swarm cells. These amoeboid cells they can combine to form either these two amoeboid cells or swarm cells or flagellated cells. They can combine, and their plasmogamy that will be followed by that of the karyogamy. Or sometimes an amoeboid cell and flagellated cell they also can combine to form a zygote. This process is called as what, syngamy. Now what is difference between fertilization and syngamy? During fertilization, two different gametes they unite, means male and female gametes they fuse, while during syngamy two cells they combine. These are not gametes, but these are two cells which will fuse together to form what, zygote. And you can see that this zygote, that is what, diploid. Then by the process of mitosis, this nucleus are 2n nucleus that will divide into what? Into number of nuclei, and it will develop again the feeding stage of the myxomycota, which is called as what? Plasmodium. Student, this is all about what? Life cycle of myxomycota. Example of myxomycota is Physarum, Polyspharum, and Cephalum. Student, myxomycotes, they are really interesting to the biologist, because they are not only used to study different biological processes, but in their life cycle, in one stage of their life cycle, they resemble with that of the fungi, and in other stage of their life cycle, they resemble with some other protist, like they are having amoeba like cells or flagellated cells in their life cycle. And this Physarum polyspharum, that is used to study cytoplasmic streaming and other cellular processes. So this is all about what? Life cycle of myxomycota. Thank you, students.